Any large project looks easier when broken into small pieces, and decluttering is no exception. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want regular updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. I'm here today to help you let go of your clutter. Here are 3 easy ways to break down the decluttering process so you can start with confidence. Categories. Narrowing your focus to certain types of objects is a great way to break through the "where do I start" anxiety. Whether you're working solo, with family, or alongside an organiser like me, you can choose a category of item to go through to get used to the decluttering process. You can choose to focus on one room in your home, or go by item type. When you collect one type of item and bring it all together, you can see at a glance how much you have or how many you have. I've seen it over and over. You had no idea you had 7 hairbrushes until you got the one from downstairs bathroom, upstairs bathroom, kids' rooms, and all the vanities together. It's easier to let go of extra things when you know they're really extra. And time. If scheduling a whole day of organising makes your palms sweat, start with 5 minutes. Set a timer, put on some awesome music, and spend a specific amount of time decluttering and letting go. If you're exhausted after 5 minutes, that's fine. If you feel like you're on a roll, keep going. You can break your decluttering process into as many small chunks of time as you need. A low-hanging fruit. Do a blitz in each room, picking up anything you know you don't want anymore. Never want to wear an itchy sweater again? Grab all itchy sweaters in your closet and let them go. As you look for things you know you don't want, you'll spot a few more. I hope these tips help you break through the anxiety of starting so you can, start. If you're struggling with letting go of things, get in touch with us and we can work together to get you on track. What trips you up when you try to declutter? Comment below. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe, get more updates on our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.